Welcome back to the workshop. Today we are going to be talking about the new Cheadle gate. And we're going to be building the gate in here in the workshop, showing you how easy it is. Basically the gate, what we have is the bits you can see on the bench, and then we've got two of the uprights which we'll bring together in a minute, and I'll show you some more detail. Okay, so let's get the two uprights. So basically we've got two of the uprights here, one for the lock side, one for the hinge side. So we're going to be using those in a minute. And then what we're going to get now, we're going to bring the Cheadle panels. So these are the Cheadle panels. I've cut these from the fence panels. So these are the Cheadle fence panels. So you can blend in your gate to match your fence exactly. So these are a composite material manufactured by Mode Fencing. You've got a really nice wood grain. They offer it in 3 different colours. This is the graphite grey, but they do a natural golden timber look and a light grey version as well. And later on we'll show you the different colours of the outer frame. What we're doing today is a black version, but they have a light grey, they have a brown, they have an olive grey colour. So we'll bring those on the set in a minute, and you can see those. So before, we've got the tie rod. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I've set these now to 900 millimeters. This is how wide I want the gate. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set these. So basically what you've got, fully adjustable, right? So with a tape measure, we just check. It is measuring at the moment 92 on 920. I need that moving in a little bit. So we'll wind this side in, and then we need to just lock that up. Very simply, just grip the tube, adjustable spanner. That's that side locked up. A dimension check again. We need to go in a little bit more. Perfect. So once that's done, that's nice and tight. Okay, so now we've got our tie rods all adjusted up. We need to attach them to these uprights. Just a top tip, it can be a blanket, it can be a bit of cardboard. Obviously these got a beautiful coating on. We want to protect that. So I just put something on the floor just to make it easy and protect everything from scratching. Okay, so we're going to take our first tie rod. It's adjusted up. Everything comes complete. So you've got all the fixings. This is an Allen key fixing. And we're going to start screwing these in and working our way down the line. Nice and tight. That's the first one done. What we can do is fit the next one. So what I've done, I've just laid it on the floor like this. Obviously, once you start adding these, it gets a little bit heavy. It's just a lot easier to manage. And what we're going to do is just position each one of these inside there. So all the tie rods are now in position. What we're going to do now is we're going to slide into the gate frame these Cheadle panels. Okay, so we've got our gate frame side with the tie rods mounted here. I've got it propped up like this so I can show you on video how it is. Normally I would have it leaning against something just to make it easy, but if I do that, you can't see what I'm doing. So I want it to be nice and open. So basically what we're doing now is we are sliding down over the tie rod into position, and we're going to put our panels in, and it's just sliding them in one by one. Now we are going to fit the other side of the gate. So that just slides over. Everything's in place, and using the same fixings again, we are just going to bolt Sometimes when you're doing this part, my suggestion is just put them in, not tight at the moment while we get all the rest of the positions. Obviously, the tie rod, you've got this tie rod coming up inside, and it moves a little bit until it's locked up tight. So in order to help you just get the right position, top tip, get another small Allen key or a little hook, just allows you to hold it into position while you're doing it. Once you get good at this, certainly 20 minutes, and you can build a gate. A fully adjustable in width gate. You can do it on site, you can go to site, you can measure up, take everything with you, cut the boards, and build the gate up, fit it. Okay, now we've done that, basically what's left to do is to fit the hinges. So these are the hinges, again, fully adjustable. All the fixings are all supplied. These are all stainless steel fixings, so they're going to last you a lifetime. You're going to enjoy this gate. You're not going to be going back to site to fix this. It's going to be there for a long time. The benefit of these hinges is obviously if the posts are not quite straight, somebody else has put the posts in, this adjustability here allows you to position the gate perfectly. The last job is basically, this is obviously at the top of the gate. If you look down on the floor, you can see the Euro cylinder facing that way. That's where we're going to fit the lock. What we're going to do now is just position this into there. And our last remaining job is to screw this into position. So to screw this in place, basically what we've got, self-drilling screws, and they're just going to come in there. Make sure that's in the right position. So that's the gate completed. All nice and solid, all ready to go. And we can fit one of the locks that we showed you how to fit on the previous season. It's exactly the same way fitting the lock, but that's a very durable gate. And like I said, you can build one of these in around about 20 to 30 minutes.